March 25th, 2021. And also, little Lush. Put shaft sinks on. I'm going to show you those. But I did want to point out, it has just, since our last dive, shown to have wear. You have a grounding plate zinc on the transom of your boat. I am going to show you this because I don't want it to be confused next month with the shaft sinks that we just installed. We'll need this zinc. Zach's finishing up over on the starboard side, and then we'll show you the whole boat. Also, you do have trim tab zincs, but they're looking okay. Let's take a look at those. They might need to be replaced in about a month or two. Probably two or three. This is the brand new shaft sinks. Props and rudders for reduced. Zinc for you. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.